tight. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd drop you guys a little bit of a video to show you guys how I fit those 305 35s on the back of the Black Widow. So it was pretty involved because I had to put the isolators back in, but you guys will see that for yourself. So hope you enjoy the video, and until we chat again next time, peace. On the inside, perhaps right here. You see right here, it's already touching. Right there where my finger's pointing. It's touching right there, so we have to do some clearancing. So I'm only hand tightening them down so that we can actually, take the wheels back off. I'm about to do a little bit of clearancing on the inside, but overall, I think it'll be okay. Once there's pressure on the suspension, it'll come up.
Yeah, I think 275 was the biggest I did, just because it fit the way it was.
Yeah, I think it'll fit. It's just gonna be like, it's gonna be close.
It'll be real close.
But it'll look good.
Probably should get a pan hardback too. You don't have one already.
I don't.
Just so you don't have that side-to-side axle movement that, if you're going up a corner or something, the axle moves just a little bit and starts to rub.
Yeah, that's true.
You gotta jounce it, bounce it a little bit.
Oh yeah.
You get it sun.
It needs to be clearance. I'll take a mallet and thin the fender part in where it's touching. Pretty tight. Really careful. Ooh, that is, oh. So this should simulate like weight. So we'll see how far it pushes it up. goes the bottom, this is the top. But it'll raise it that much, the width of this and the width of this. Difference, huh? So if you have trouble keeping this on, what you do is take zip ties and cut through here to hold it on. But it looks like it'll stay, perhaps. I should have lubricated it first. This goes on top, and this goes to the bottom. Hopefully I can get this to go up there. It's weird, man. Always something. Yeah, that was some chains, baby.
So I've never found a really good way with the Fox bodies when they're not really over springs. Yeah, it's really fucking tight, bro.
Should I?
So you might want to go up a little bit with the cars, and so you can get your jack underneath. Okay.
Weird. Zip ties here to hold it on. But it looks like it'll stay.
The clock when I ticking on top.
The washer is actually hitting the side of the A-arm, control arm. It's not like, there's not enough room.
It's an angle. It's an angle thing then.
So I just gotta move it over when I can. So I was thinking that when I release the pressure a little bit, then I should be able to move that over.
Probably gonna have to be, just this is gonna have to be in a different position to get it right.
Right.
We get the top nut attached. Yeah.
So this goes on the bottom.